It's not worth my time. If only I can share my thoughts and think. Kapag shinare ko yung side ko, mas marami pong lalabas na mga critics ng mga tao.
Pero yung mga lumabas na news about you, may mga katotohanan na on
News about me,
mga negative.
I am happy to ano,
Kasi syempre may nabasa ka in a way, may nakakarating sa'yo, hindi mo na lang pinansin. Pero in your end, masasabi bang confident ka ba na hindi siya totoo or may mga totoo?
it's not worth my time.
Not worth
I mean, I have a lot of things to focus on and I know na if only I can share my thoughts and things. Kasi if siguro po sa tingin ko na kapag shinare ko yung side ko, mas marami pong lalabas na mga critics ng mga tao at hindi po at patuloy-tuloy yun lalaki. But I know myself. I know what I should
But you're
I'm
happy.
thinking na should I prove myself? Is it appropriate to prove myself even if all I did was to work from the very first start, focus on myself, my family, myself, my growth,
Yes.
my character, values, morals as a person. And and what I've learned from everything until right now, it made me emotionally strong. And I'm happy to all the learnings.